choose a painting, the options, and then even the hardware on the back of the painting, and how to view it with this new 360 degrees viewing tool. So first off, you want to choose your image, which you've probably chosen from the gallery in the previous page. And here we come to the options that you have. So you can either choose paper, metal, a canvas wrap, or an acrylic block type print. So supposing we look at satin just as an example, it's going to load the view, how it looks on satin. You can have a look at the surface, choose your size. It doesn't really matter for the purpose of this example, so any size out of the ones available. The drop down menu will show you what's available. By the way, if you need a special size, always message me because it's probably possible for me to set it up for you. And then the back part is what's always a confusion to me anyway. I always want to know, what does the back look like? Once I've chosen that, is it actually what I need? So we're going to go with the 1/2-inch float mount hanger, which is great for metal. You don't have to remember this because you can always have a look and see how it goes. And then you're going to press the 360 viewing tool, and this is what's going to look like. You get a special window opening up in front of your choices, and it will show you exactly how thin the sides are, what the back looks like, and the type of hanging hardware that you have it come installed with. So you get a chance to know if that's going to work with your walls, and if it doesn't, then you change your options. You can always close it at any time from there, and you're back where you were before. You want to choose another one. This is the 3/4 inset frame with the cleat. You can also choose it with a wire. And if we then have another look at the 360 viewing tool, you'll see how that now has changed. The back has now changed. As you go around, the metal prints are extremely thin, and then you have this 1/2-inch inset. It's obviously a lot more to that to keep the large size piece supported than the little float mount block. Okay, I hope that helps. You can choose any of the other options to get a view if they are canvas, metal, paper. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I hope this helps you to feel more comfortable about making choices in the future for the type of hardware that goes on the back of your print choice.